So good afternoon, my dear children. Today we are going to start the topic time, that clock. Okay. Last year you have learned few things about clock that we can revise. After that we can start this year's topic. Okay. Now you all have clock at home. Do you all have?
Yes.
Yes.
I'll show you an image of clock.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Can you all see the screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Here on the clock, which all numbers written?
12. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Yes. Numbers from
Ma'am, 1 to 12.
numbers from 1 to 12 is written on the face of the clock. Okay. And you can see a short hand over here. What is the name of that hand? Last year you have learned.
Hand. Our hand.
Yes.
Our hand.
It is our hand.
Our hand.
And you can see a long hand.
Minute
Hand.
hand.
Minute hand. Minute hand.
Our hand.
That means this short hand shows hour. The short hand, the short hand shows hour.
Hour.
The long hand shows minute.
Minute.
Okay. The long hand shows minutes.
Minute.
And the short hand shows hour.
Hour.
The long hand shows minutes and the short hand shows hours. And other than that, you can see one more hand over here.
Ma'am, what's that small hand?
What is that small hand? Who can say?
Second hand.
Second hand. Yes. It is seconds hand. Seconds hand.
Hand.
Okay. But to read a clock, you don't want the second hand. Okay. Only you have to check the
Our
number
hand.
on hour hand and minute hand to
Minute
read the time or to tell the time. Okay. Only you have to check the position of hour hand and minute hand
Hand and hour.
to check the time, to know the time, or tell the time. Okay. Other than that, you can see some lines like this. These lines.
Yes.
And that shows the minute.
Yes, very good. Who said that? Very good. It's correct. That small line represents 1 minute each. Okay. So from 12 to 1, how many lines you can see? 5.
5.
That means 5 minutes are there. From 12 to 1, 5 minutes are there. Like that, between each number, there are 5 minutes. Okay. Between each number, there are 5 minutes. From 1 to 2, there are 5 minutes. 2 to 3, 5 minutes are there. 3 to 4, 5 minutes are there. Like that it goes. So, for the minute hand, to travel or to move from one number to the other, how many minutes need?
5.
5 minutes. If it is on 2 o'clock, to go to 3 o'clock, how many minutes needed?
5.
5. If it is on 3 o'clock, to move to 4 o'clock, how many minutes needed?
5.
5. Okay. Like that, if it is moving like that, if it moves from 1 to 12 to 1, how many minutes it covers? From 1.
Ma'am, 50. Ma'am, 60.
No,
60.
Wait, listen to my question. If the minute hand moves from 12 to 1, how many minutes? 5 minutes.
5.
If it moves from 12 to 2,
5.
only from 12 12 to 2.
10.
12 to 2.
Ma'am,
10.
10.
So, this number 1 represent 5 minutes. Like that.
5 minutes.
Number 2, the number 2 represents 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Like that. Number 3, if the minute hand is on 3,
10
3 represents
25 minutes. 25 minutes.
number 3 represents 25.
5.
15. How you want to do, no, my dear children? If you want to know the time, know the minutes, you have to multiply the number into 5. Okay, if the minute hand is on 3, if you want to know the time, you have to multiply 3 into 5. And you will get the minutes. If the minute hand is on 5, to know the minutes, you have to multiply 5 into 5. Like that, if the minute hand is on 9,
25.
if you want to know the time, know the minutes, you have to multiply 9 into 5. Okay. So, my dear children, if the minute hand is on 4, what will be the minutes? No, 4 into 5, you have to multiply by 5. 4 into 5, 20. If it is on, so if it is on 5,
25.
25. If it is on 6, 30. If it is on 7, 35. If it is on 8, if it is on 8, if it is on 9, 45. If it is on 10, 50. If it is on 11, if it is on 11, 55. If it is on 12,
1 o'clock. 2 o'clock.
60. That means when the minute hand moves, completes one round around the face of the clock, it covers 3 minutes. How many minutes?
10 minutes.
60 minutes. How many minutes?
60
If the minute hand completes one round around the face of the clock, it covers 60 minutes. Okay. Adesh, listen here. Sit properly and listen. Turn on your video. Okay. Now, okay. So, if the minute hand covers one round or completes one round, there will be 60 minutes. My dear children, 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. 60 minutes equal to 1 hour.
1 hour.
Equal to 60 minutes.
60 minutes.
That means when the minute hand completes one round around the face of the clock, our hour hand, this one, will move to the next number. That means if it is on 10, it will move to 11. Clear? Well, once again, I will say, if the minute hand completes one round, 1 hour, this hour hand moves to the next number. If it is on 10, it will move to 11. If it is on 5, it will move to 6. If it is on 6, it will move to 7. Like that, when it completes one round, the hour hand moves to the next number. Is it clear to you all? When the minute hand completes one round, that means 1 hour over. That time, the hour hand, the next hand, the hour hand will move to the next number. Okay, if it is on 10, it will move to 11. If it is on 11, it will move to 12. Okay. So, to move, the minute hand moves from one number to another number after 5 minutes. How many minutes?
5 minutes.
That is the case of minute hand. The minute hand moves from one number to another number after 5 minutes. 5 minutes is the gap between one number to the next number. Okay. But the hour hand moves from one number to the next number after 1 hour. Adesh, Adesh, keep the things down and listen here.
1 hour.
Keep it down and tie your fold your hands. Listen. So the minute hand, if the minute hand is on 2, if it is moving to 3, how many minutes will you over? 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
From 3 to 4, again 5 minutes. From 4 to 5, again 5 minutes. Like that, the hour and if it moves from 10 to 11, 1 hour over. Okay. The hour and moves from 11 to 12, again 1 hour over. The minute hands should take 1 hour. Now, again we can revise the minutes. If the minute hand is on 1, and now I am going to mute you all. One by one, you have to say answer. Do I want to mute you? No. Rahul, if the minute hand is on 1, what is the minutes?
Then 5.
5 minutes. 1 into 5, 5. So 5 minutes. Now Anandita, if the minute hand is on 2, what is the minutes? How many minutes?
10.
10. That means 2 into 5 equal to 10. You have to multiply 2 by 5. Sheba, if the minute hand is on 3, how many minutes?
Ma'am,
If the minute hand is on 3, how many minutes?
30,
Mm.
50,
Yes, 3 into 5. You have to multiply 3 by 5. 15. Is it clear, dear?
yes,
Now, Jovial, if the minute hand is on 4, how many minutes?
Then
If the minute hand is on 4,
20.
20. Yes. If Aiden, if the minute hand is on 5, how many minutes?
25.
25. Yes. Now, Veda, if the minute hand is on 6, how many minutes?
30 minutes.
30. Yes. Adish, who is Adhika? Adishankar. Please unmute. If the minute hand is on 7.
35.
Yes, 35. Now, Shaza, if the minute hand is on 8.
ma'am,
Is what is the how many? 40. Yes. Now, Muhammad Hassan, if the minute hand is on 9, how many minutes?
45.
Yes, 45. Now, Andrea, if the minute hand is on 10. Minute hand is on 10. How many minutes? 10 into 5.
50.
50, yes. Now, Dev, unmute. If the minute hand is on 11, how many minutes?
55.
55, yes. Ishan, if the minute hand is on 12, how many minutes?
Ma'am, 60.
Yes, 60. But we won't say 60 minutes. It will be when the minute hand is on 12, we will say o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. We will write the minute as 00. Okay, that we are going to that. We are going to discuss now that timings. Okay, now I am going to draw some clocks. Last year you have learned this. Ishan. Again muted. Ishan, what is the time now? Now our hand is
2
on.
o'clock.
Yes, 2 o'clock. This is like this you can write in words and you can write like this in figures. Okay, there we will denote the minutes as 00. Okay, now you can mute. Now if our hand is on Who is there to get chance? Ah, Benedict. Oh, unmute. Now what is the time?
Then 6 o'clock.
Yes, 6 o'clock. It is 6 o'clock. Yes. I think you all are very familiar with this 6 o'clock, 2 o'clock, like that things. Now my question is different one. If it is 3 o'clock, Nia, my question, I didn't ask question. Unmute. Now the time on the clock is, what is the time?
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. After 1 hour, what will be the time? After 1 hour, what will be the time? I told you, the mid hand will move from one number to the next number after 1 hour. So after 1 hour, what will be the time? Now it is in 3. After 1 hour, it will move to which number? Wait dear, let her say. Dear, the minute hand will move to the next number after 1 hour. So now it is at 3. So after 1 hour, it will move to the next number. To which number it will move?
4.
4. So what will be the time? 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock.
Okay. What is the time? What will
4
be the time?
o'clock.
4 o'clock. Okay. Clear, dear?
Yes.
Okay. Now, Ajwa, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, the time is 3 o'clock. After 2 hours, what will be the time?
5 o'clock.
Yes, very good, dear. Because after 2 hours, it will move 2 numbers. It will move to 2 numbers. So it will be 4, 5. So it will be 5 o'clock. Okay. Now, Adesh, please unmute.
Ma'am.
Now it is 3 o'clock. So before 1 hour, what was the time?
2 o'clock.
Very good. Because before 1 hour means you have to subtract, or it will be to towards the previous number. That means 2. It will be towards 2 o'clock before 2 hours. Very good. Very good. Now, one more question. Yes, Fatima, please unmute. Fatima.
Yes.
Now it is 6 o'clock. Okay. Fatima, please unmute again. Unmute. Oh, your voice is breaking, Fatima. I can't hear you properly. So what to do? I'll go to somebody else. Yes. Yes, Qualby. Unmute. Now it is 6 o'clock. So before 2 hours, what was the time?
4 o'clock.
Yes, before 2 hours, it will be before 2 numbers. 4 o'clock. 2 numbers you have to skip. So 6 minus 2, 4. It will be 4 o'clock. It was 4 o'clock. Next, one more question is there. All of you think that. Now it is 6 o'clock. After how many hours it will be 8 o'clock? Everybody find out the answer. After how many hours it will be 8 o'clock? Ajwa, please unmute. Now it is 6 o'clock. After how many hours it will be 8 o'clock?
2 hours.
Oh, very good. After 2 hours, because from 6 to... Oh, it is echoing here. Let me mute all. From 6 to 7, it is 1 hour. And from 7 to 8 is 1 hour. So after 2 hours, it will be on 8 o'clock. So from 6 to 8, there will be 2 hours. So, have you all understood anything, my dear children?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm?
Yes, ma'am. I need to
Understood.
see. Yes, ma'am.
Can we do?
Already. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, very good.
I
Those
know
who know
already.
Ah, Bhagya was
I
there.
know
Where were you,
already.
dear? You were there in the beginning? Your video is off. Have you understood everything? Yes. Okay. Now, my
I
dear.
know it, ma'am.
Very good. Those who already knows good.
I also know.
Okay. Can we do a few workbook problems?
Yes.
Okay. Everybody take your workbook. Everybody take your
Number.
workbook. Page number 7.
Mama, can I?
Can I? What are you asking? Let me mute all. Otherwise, you all will shout with the answers. So, okay. I hope you all are ready with your workbook. Now, Bhagya, read the first question. Where is our Bhagya?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, read. First question.
The time 1 hour after 4 o'clock is dash.
After 4 o'clock. 1 hour after 4 o'clock. What will be the time?
5 o'clock.
Oh, yes. 4 plus 1, 5. So, the time will be 5 o'clock. Yes. Okay, I will share the screen. And yes, 5 o'clock. So, all of you, please circle 5 and write in the bracket A, 5. Okay, Hisan, read next question. Unmute.
The time 3 hours before
3
12
hours.
o'clock is 8 o'clock.
3 hours before. So I will show you the clock, then you will understand. See, now the time is 12. Okay. Now the both hand is on 12. That is 12 o'clock. Okay. Only our hand I am showing. Now it is on 12. So they are asking 3 hours before. 3 hours before. Before 1 hour. Sorry?
9 o'clock.
Yes. Before 1 hour, it will be on 11. Before 2 hours, it will be on 10. So before 3 hours, it will be on
9 o'clock.
9. So 9 o'clock. So 12 minus 3, you just simply subtract like that. Then also you will get the answer. 9. Option C. Benedict is busy with the talking. Are you talking with someone? Huh? Okay, Benedict, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Read third question.
5 o'clock is dash hour after 3 o'clock.
As hours after 3 o'clock. Yes. How many hours after? 5
hours. 2 hours.
Yes, yes, correct. Those who have doubt, I will show you. Those who have doubt, I will show you how it comes. The question was 5 o'clock is dash hours after 3 o'clock. If the hour hand is on 3, how many hours will take to come to 5? From 3 to 4, 1 hour. From 4 to 5, 1 hour. So total how many hours it will take? 2 hours. Have you all understood that?
Yes.
My dear children, how it comes 2 hours, have you all understood?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Also, all of you write the answer. Option C, 2. Okay. Have you all completed now?
Yes. Yes.
Now we can discuss a few more questions to find out the minutes. Okay. So that you can tell the time fast. Okay. Now all of you mute your audio yourself. Mute your audio yourself. I won't tell anybody to mute. You have to mute yourself. Okay. Are you all ready? Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Wait. I'll call out the names. They only want to say answer. Others find out the answer and keep in mind and check whether it is correct or wrong. Okay. If the mate hand is on, to Kalbi, I'm asking question. Kalbi can unmute. If the mate hand is on 6, how many minutes are there?
Tell the question once more.
If the minute hand is on 6, how many minutes? What do you want to do? You have to multiply. Multiply.
30.
Yes, 30. 6 into 5, 30. Dear children, you have to multiply by 5. Don't forget that. Okay. Now, next question to Rahul. Rahul, please unmute.
Yes.
If the mate hand is on 3, what will be the minutes?
15.
Yes, 15 minutes. Correct. Now, Adish.
Yeah.
If the mate hand is on 9, how many minutes? Others, please keep your audio muted. Adish, if the mate hand is on 9, how many minutes?
45.
That's, keep your audio muted here.
45.
Yes, very good. 45 minutes. Okay. Now, Dev.
Yes, ma'am.
If the mate hand is on 7, how many minutes?
55.
Sorry? Let Dev say answer. Others, please keep quiet. If the minute hand is on 7.
35.
Yes, 7 into 5. 7 into 5, 35 minutes. Okay. Now, next question to Shaza. If the minute hand is on 5, how many minutes?
Ma'am, 25.
Yes, very good. 25 minutes. One more question. Veda.
Yes.
If the minute hand is on 11, how many minutes?
55 minutes.
Yes, 55 minutes. Okay. Now, I hope you all are clear with the idea to find out how many minutes. Now, let me ask one question, my dear children. To move minute hand from one number to next number, how many minutes needed?
65 minutes.
5 minutes.
5 minutes. To
5
move
minutes.
from one number to another number, 5 minutes only needed. But
5 minutes only.
if the hour and want to move from one number to the next number, how many hours needed?
One
Hour. I hope you all are clear with the concepts.
Yes.
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 So I'll send few notes today. Please copy to your notebook for the next class. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
We all do that. We all do that.
Yes.
So I'm going to wind up today's class, my dear children. Thank you. Bye. See you next day.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.